So in this video we're going to talk about React Redux. So first of all, let's just talk about what is Redux. So as per the definition, Redux is a predictable state container for the JavaScript application. So Redux basically helps to manage the state of an application, and it ensures that the state changes are predictable. And the thing is, Redux is not tied to React. Redux can be used with any UI library. This can be React, this can be Angular, or even this can be Vue, or even the plain JavaScript applications. So the state in Redux refers to the state of the entire application and not just any individual components. And the next question is why we should use Redux in React application. So the answer can be, first of all, so whenever we try to manage state in React, that can become complex whenever the application grows. So suppose we have one large React application with multiple components, and those components needs to share state. So in that case, we might need to lift the state up through multiple layers, so which can create prop drilling. So now to fix that issue, we can use Redux in our React application. So the first point can be complex application, and secondly, with Redux we can have one central application state. So because with Redux we can have one central state, and components can directly receive the data they needed without manually passing the prop through different levels of component tree. And thirdly, with Redux all the state management are predictable. So Redux makes the state management more predictable because here all the state transitions are explicit. Now the final question is, what is React Redux? So React Redux is an official library to bind React and Redux. So we have the React and we have the Redux. So React is one UI library where Redux is used for state management. Now to bind the React and the Redux, we have the React Redux library. Now the React Redux provides necessary function to integrate Redux into the React application smoothly. Now the final question is, when should we use Redux in our application? So Redux is mainly used when the React application grows in size. So the Redux becomes useful whenever we have multiple components across different routes and they need to share state. Only then we should use Redux in our React application. So hope you understand about React Redux. So see you in the next one. Take care.